Disclaimer. I know this is already a late video to make, but today I will be celebrating my playlist of Shadows Eternal for hitting 2,005 views. I know I kind of am late to the party, but hey, this is part of the experience. Anyway, let's get on with the video. SA 2005. That's the registration of this aircraft. Alright, let's go ahead and push this thing to the gate. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Stomp! Let's push it there. There we go. Now let's also go ahead and get the luggage. Let's unlock. Open. Let's watch her open. SA 2005. Isn't that cool? Okay, I also gotta be really careful here because this is an expensive Ferrari. Let's see if we can lift it on the car. After lifting it to the plane, alright, he's in the air, so now let's push him in. There we go. The car is now in the base. So now I'm also going to get the luggage, which are basically 2 pieces. We'll just store them in the car. Now it's time to drive away. Whee! Oh yeah, not to forget, I also got to close this car. Watch her close. SA 2005. Oh yeah, let's not forget to lock it so that thieves won't get in. There we go. Now let's make sure this aircraft is refueled while the main character boards. If you don't know who that character is, it's this guy. Hey boy, let's just hope that Ferrari's in there secure. It's secured, bro, don't worry. Okay. I swear if it's scratched, you're gonna have to owe me $100 US. Here's the inside of the cabin. We have 5 seats here and then 3 VIP suites. And this is where Shadow is gonna sit down. Here comes myself going onto the plane. Here's myself, which is basically me in IRL. Next up, Jack Black himself. All 3 of them are in their VIP suites. And now, let's go welcome the passengers themselves. Henry! Jason Momoa, the original Steve. Random passenger who thinks he's going to Miami. Random passenger who thinks he's going to, I don't know. Here's the soda. And now the cabin is full. SA 2005, you are clear for departure. Bump. Alright, let's get down here. And watch this door close. Alright, let's go on with it. Come on, back up, back up. Go on, keep backing up. Concorde, you are clear for takeoff. Wait, hold. Stop. The Concorde is on taxi. Concorde, you are clear on taxi to runway 27. Roger that. Alright, keep backing up. Okay, turn. Turn this aircraft, and boom, you are clear. You are clear to go. So long, SA 2005. SA 2005, you are clear for takeoff. Carrying the Shadow the Hedgehog. Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for takeoff.